Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear top locations on places settings on your account on Snapchat. Easy and quick. First click on this settings icon here, and now you will find this on account actions. You will find here places, click on it, and now here you will find clear top locations. Just click on it and click clear, and it will be cleared. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.